We do videos about events in Malta and Gozo also travel videos all over the world.
Hello and welcome to another video from Malta Resources. I'm a Maltese YouTuber. Today I'm off to the Sliema Chalet. I want to show you what remains of the chalet. See you soon.
Overtired, overworked, underpaid, under pressure. Always tying up loose ends.
We cross and Zara used to be the cinema Alhambra. So this is February 2021, still during the pandemic. It's a Paramount vintage bus. You can now go on a trip on it. These are the old buses that Malta used to have in the past. Because of this crane, you have to cross to the other side to walk.
The unchained melody, out of tune remedy for the weekend, to cure the weekday blues.
Right, aħjar namelek billi tfawel ħaraw qoddimi.
She's saying better that I'm here than they throw shit in front of you. I'm not sure to what she's referring to. Anyway, very interesting. So we're off to the chalet soon. Just a bit more walking. No worries, don't leave. Stick along, won't be a long video. Because some of you are impatient sometimes and you don't want to stick to the end. So this is a shorter video for you also. Bavaria. I wish I was in Bavaria. I miss Bavaria. Great place, Germany. Shout out to everyone in Germany. It's a great place to visit. I have some videos from Germany on my channel. Check them out. Regensburg, Hanover. So check them out. Go to the channel page and find the older videos. Okay. So I'm soon. This one here. I'm here. So it used to start from here and you could go down. And you still can go down, but you have to go down to another path, which it's not something I'm going to do. This used to be basically the main entertainment place based on the islands and in Sliema, and there used to be live music performed. and I'll give you some more information.
So the chalet was inaugurated in May 1926. It was the most popular rendezvous on the island, particularly in the hot summer months. So you had basically an orchestra upstairs and sometimes one downstairs. There was a cook, a chef, pâtissier, waiters, and more. Basically, in those days, youth were not allowed to watch adults dance, so there were shuttered windows in these dance halls. When World War II basically started in 1939, the chalet was closed. In 1942, it was struck by a bomb and it was partially destroyed and it was reconstructed. However, in 1956, by July, basically with the lack of maintenance, it was declared as an unsound structure. So in 1963, it was closed down. Well, people still used to do things like roller skating on the roof on what was left of it. And later on, in 2006, what was still left there was pulled down to discourage people from trying to do their devil stunts over there. However, you still find some baiters, swimmers, and other people who still congregate and go and gather there. And there were some attempts to claiming to repair it, and people who try to do some art on it and try to make it look a bit, try to revive it, so to speak, but it was never revived at all.
And if Saturday don't come soon, I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh,
I hope you enjoyed this video. I invite you to keep on watching one of these videos, and which you will see soon on your screen. And bye for now from Malta Network Resources in the chalet in Sliema.